Is your computer running slow, loud, and constantly overheating? Today I will show you exactly how to check your CPU temperature on Windows 10 on Windows 11 completely free. I'm your tech buddy Adnan Hussain. Without wasting any time, let's get started. To get accurate real-time temperature reading for every single core of your processor, we are going to use lightweight trusted app called Core Temp. I will leave the official link in the description. You can download the app from there. Hit download and run the quick installer. Make sure to uncheck any options freeware during installation so you keep it clean. Once open, you can instantly see your real-time CPU temperature right here at the bottom. Quick tips guys, if your CPU temperature on idle is 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, it's not completely normal, it's nothing to worry. And if you're gaming or doing some intensive task and your CPU temperature goes up to like 80 and 90 degrees Celsius, then I think you need to clean your cooling fan, those CPU cooling fan or laptop cooling fan, and also you need to put some thermal paste on your computer CPU. And that's it. And that's how you check your CPU temperature on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video save you some time or teach you something, smash that subscribe button. Help me to reach my first 1000 subscriber. If you face any issue, drop a comment below. I will try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace out.